Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. Techfox. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a text file with .txt extension using your terminal on MacBook. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, normally open your terminal by pressing Command and space button together. And then you have to type on the search bar terminal. And after then, open this first icon. And then you will see an interface like this. Normally, you have to type here touch and then provide the name of your text file. For example, I'm giving here max and then provide the extension .txt. So I want to create the file name as max with the .txt extension, I mean text file. And if I click on this enter button, then our text file is going to be created. Now we have to find that out. Go to your Finder and then click on this Go button on the top. And now normally choose Home. And here you will get your file. So here is our file, max.txt. You can open it and write something, whatever you want. And that's it. Now you know how to create a text file using terminal on MacBook. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.